Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
I can tell you only one line reply. The speech is silver and I think silence is golden. Prime Minister knows very well what is going on in UP. There is no rule of law. How many commission he sent there? He has sent there. How many human rights commission? How many tribal development commission? How many minority commission? How many ED? How many CBI? How many this other than human rights commission and all? How many commission went there? So many cases happened there. Unnao to Hathras to there are so many. Even journalists are not spared. They give a bad name for Bengal, though it is not at all true. The pre-poll matter, they say post-poll violence. Pre-poll violence, it was under election commission. It was not with us. And what they are using, maximum, this is pre-poll. That also we don't support. That time it was not with us. It was with the election commission, the law and order machinery. Please understand that. They are speaking just like a great liar. Sorry, liar is an unparliamentary word. They are misleading the people and distorting the facts. We will give our, because when court will give us the time, then we will file our affidavit and we will give our opinion to Honorable Court. But I am sorry that instead of giving the report to court, they have already leaked all the reports to Human Rights Commission to outside. They should have respect their court. How they can disrespect? Instead of hearing started, even the opposition, we are the government, we have to give our opinion also. This is the justice. And court gave us time also for that. I think they will give us time, or they have given the time for affidavit or something. So before that, how they leaked all the news, what they have submitted in the court, if it is not political vendetta, only to malign the people of Bengal because they have lost the election. That's why this is their political vendetta. This is about rule of law. UP, it is out of law, out of rule. Out of rule of law. And B, regarding COVID, what is the record? How many persons died? Can they show us any record or government of India? UP is there, baby. That's why it is safe. How the dead bodies are coming through Ganges? They have just sent the dead bodies through Gangas. Amar Pavitra Ganga, our holy Ganges, they carried all the COVID dead bodies. And it is coming through UP to Bihar to Bengal. Go and find out from Bihar how many bodies they rescued. Even Bengal also we rescued 8 bodies. There are so many, we do not know what is their fate. Because water, it's a big area. From where to where it went, we cannot say. Only UP government can say how many people they have sent through Ganges. Even they didn't give respect to the dead bodies also. Instead of cremation, instead of their last rituals, now they are praising